So you're thinking about getting certified in Python, but you look online and it's a lot. Where to even start? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to simplify things. We're breaking down one specific training course from Adami Atomy that's built to get you from zero to certified. Let's find out if it's the right move for you.
So what does it really take to get that shiny Python certification? You know there are tons of options out there, but we're going to focus on one clear path today. It's a structured course designed to help you clear that first big hurdle and actually prove you know your stuff.
All right, let's get specific. The certification we're talking about is the PCEP-30-02. That stands for Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer. And the key word here, the most important word, is entry-level. This isn't about becoming some kind of coding wizard overnight. It's all about proving you have a rock-solid grasp of the absolute basics, the foundation you need for everything else.
And here's why that structure is so important. Trying to learn to code on your own can feel like you're just bouncing around from one tutorial to another, right? This course is all about cutting through that chaos. It gives you a clear step-by-step roadmap so you're never left wondering, okay, what do I learn next?
So what does this structured path actually look like in practice? Let's peel back the layers a bit and break down the course framework to see how it's all put together.
Okay, this is a really important detail you need to know. The course gives you the what to learn, that's the study plan, and the why you should learn it, the knowledge explanations, for free. But the part where you really get your hands dirty, the online practice, that's a paid add-on. It's a key distinction to keep in mind.
And here's how it all clicks together in a simple three-step process. First, you get a clear plan to follow. Second, you learn the actual concepts. And third, you practice until it all becomes second nature. It's a classic method for a reason. It makes sure what you learn actually sticks.
You know that feeling, right? Staring at your screen, totally lost in a sea of tutorials, wondering what to do next? We've all been there. This quote just nails the value of a plan. It gets rid of the guesswork and lets you just focus on what matters, learning.
So we've seen the how it's taught, but now let's get to the good stuff, the what. What are the core Python concepts you're actually going to be mastering in this course? The curriculum is broken down into 4 main chunks. You start with the absolute fundamentals, the basic grammar of Python. Then, you learn how to make your programs think and make decisions using things like loops. From there, you'll master how to organize all your data. And finally, you'll learn how to write clean, reusable, and bug-free code.
Think of it like this. Instead of trying to drink from a fire hose of information, this course gives you one small, manageable glass of water at a time. It's all about taking these big, complex ideas and breaking them into bite-sized pieces so you can build your technical skills and your confidence right alongside each other.
Now, reading about code is one thing, but actually writing it, that's a whole different ballgame. So how does this course help you build that bridge from just knowing the theory to actually being able to practice it? Get ready for this number, 547. That's how many practice questions are included. And listen, these aren't just random trivia. They are custom-built, concept-based questions designed to test if you truly understand the material, not just if you can memorize a few facts. But these questions aren't just about cramming for a test. No way. They're designed to make you think like a real programmer. They help you apply what you've learned to scenarios that feel real, so you're not just learning facts. You're building skills that will actually stick with you for the long haul. And this quote right here, this says it all. The goal isn't to spoon-feed you the exact questions on the test. The goal is to make you smart enough, to make you understand the concept so deeply that you can figure out the answers all on your own. It's about learning, not just memorizing.
Okay, so we've looked at the what, the why, and the how of this whole thing. Now it's time for the million-dollar question. Is this course actually the right one for you? Let's put it all together.
So here's the quick summary, the TLDR. This course is built for beginners. It's totally self-paced, so you go as fast or as slow as you need. It is laser-focused on one thing, getting you ready for that PCEP-30-02 exam. And it does it with that 3-step method of a study plan, clear explanations, and a ton of online practice.
When you boil it all down, it's a really simple but powerful formula. Clear guidance plus simple explanations plus targeted practice equals a solid foundation in Python.
So there you have it, a really clear, structured path to getting your first Python certification. But remember, getting certified, that's just the beginning. That's just opening the door. The real question is, once you have these skills, what problem are you going to solve with them? The possibilities are pretty much endless.